Today I'm making homemade roast turkey. Let's get started. All right, to defrost your turkey, you need to defrost it 24 hours for every 4 pounds. The next step that we do is we use foil pans or line your roasting pan with a foil. So I have taken my turkey out of the package, removed the giblets and the neck from the cavity of the turkey. Right here, this is all you need. 1 stick of butter, stick it in there, and you want to turn that down. The juices from the turkey are going to seep into that breast and make it the most succulent. Just cover it with aluminum foil and make sure you seal it tightly. You're going to put this in the oven at 250 degrees for an hour. Then you are going to turn it down to 200 degrees and cook it for 10 to 14 hours. You are slow cooking your turkey. Yes, this is perfectly safe. After 12 hours, bring it out of the oven, remove your foil. Then you're going to start picking your turkey apart and just start removing large hunks of meat off the bones and put it on the plate. With this turkey, you have moist, delicious turkey